Are you looking to bring a touch of nature into your home? Imagine transforming your living space with the timeless beauty of natural wood. Hi, in this video, we'll explore how a simple yet beautifully crafted wooden log can become the perfect centerpiece for your home decor. From rustic charm to modern elegance, the possibilities are endless. Let's dive in and discover how you can create a warm, inviting space that feels uniquely yours. In today's fast-paced, modern world, many people find themselves yearning for a connection to nature. Incorporating natural elements into your home can create a sense of tranquility and balance, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. One of the most versatile and timeless ways to achieve this is by using a beautifully crafted wooden log as part of your home decor. This unassuming yet striking piece of nature can transform your space, adding warmth, texture, and character. Let's explore how a wooden log can be a centerpiece of home art and the many ways it can be used to enhance your living environment. The beauty of natural wood. Wood is one of the most cherished materials in interior design. Its organic patterns, rich textures, and warm tones bring a sense of authenticity and grounding to any space. Each wooden log tells a story, with its unique grain, knots, and imperfections reflecting the tree's life and growth. These natural characteristics make every log a one-of-a-kind piece, perfect for creating a distinctive and personalized touch in your home. When selecting a wooden log for home art, consider the type of wood. Each variety has its own unique aesthetic and qualities. Oak, known for its durability and prominent grain patterns, oak adds a sense of strength and timelessness. Pine, with its light color and subtle knots, pine creates a soft, rustic charm. Walnut, dark and rich, walnut exudes sophistication and elegance. Cedar, aromatic and resistant to decay, cedar is perfect for both functionality and beauty. Driftwood, weathered and smooth, driftwood offers a coastal, bohemian vibe. Creative uses for wooden logs in home decor. A wooden log can be incorporated into your home in countless ways, ranging from functional to purely decorative. Here are some inspiring ideas. Decorative centerpiece. A wooden log can serve as a stunning centerpiece on your dining or coffee table. Pair it with candles, succulents, or seasonal decorations to create a dynamic and ever-changing display. The natural texture of the wood contrasts beautifully with soft lighting and greenery, adding depth and interest to your arrangement. Log furniture. Wooden logs can be transformed into functional furniture pieces that double as works of art. Consider a log stool, side table, or even a bench. These pieces retain the organic beauty of the wood while providing practical use. Sanded and polished logs can add a modern touch, while untreated logs offer a more rustic aesthetic. Wall art. Create a statement piece by mounting slices of a wooden log on your wall. The circular patterns of the growth rings make for a captivating and intricate design. You can arrange multiple slices in a cluster for a modern art installation or use a single large slice as a focal point. Planters and vases. Hollowed-out wooden logs make excellent planters or vases. The natural material complements the greenery, creating a harmonious and earthy look. Use them for succulents, herbs, or dried flowers to bring life and vibrancy into your home. Candle holders. Transform smaller logs into unique candle holders by carving out spaces for tea lights or pillar candles. The warm glow of the candles combined with the natural wood creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for evenings at home. Coat racks and hooks. A log or branch can be repurposed into a rustic coat rack or set of hooks. Mount it on the wall and use it to hang coats, scarves, or bags. This functional art piece is both practical and visually appealing. Shelving units. Combine wooden logs with metal brackets to create unique shelving units. These shelves can be used to display books, plants, or decorative items, adding both storage and style to your space. Outdoor decor. Wooden logs aren't limited to indoor use. Incorporate them into your garden or patio as stools, pathways, or plant stands. Their natural resilience and beauty make them a perfect addition to any outdoor setting. The craftsmanship behind wooden logs. The transformation of a simple log into a piece of home art involves skill, care, and creativity. Craftsmen carefully select and prepare the wood to ensure its longevity and aesthetic appeal. The process often includes harvesting. Sourcing sustainably harvested wood is crucial for environmental responsibility. Look for logs that come from managed forests or reclaimed sources. Drying. Properly drying the wood prevents cracking and warping. This step is essential for ensuring the log's durability. Shaping and finishing. Depending on the intended use, the log may be sanded, polished, or carved. Finishing touches, such as staining or sealing, enhance the wood's natural beauty and protect it from wear. Benefits of incorporating wooden logs into your home. Adding wooden logs to your home decor offers numerous benefits beyond their aesthetic appeal. Connection to nature. Natural materials like wood help create a calming and grounding environment. They bring the outdoors inside, fostering a sense of well-being and connection to nature. Sustainability. When sourced responsibly, wooden logs are an eco-friendly choice. They are biodegradable, renewable, and have a lower environmental impact compared to synthetic materials. Versatility. Wooden logs can be adapted to suit any style, from rustic and farmhouse to modern and minimalist. Their timeless appeal ensures they never go out of style. Durability. High-quality wooden logs are incredibly durable, making them a long-lasting addition to your home. Customizability. Each log can be tailored to your preferences, whether you prefer a polished finish or a more natural, raw look. Thank you for joining me on this journey to bring the beauty of nature into your home. Whether it's a rustic centerpiece, a functional piece of furniture, or a creative art installation, a wooden log can truly transform your space and make it uniquely yours. If you found inspiration in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more creative home decor ideas. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use wooden logs in your own home. Love to hear your ideas. Until next time, stay inspired and stay connected to nature.